Really?
Yes, he did. Pee-pee bring a dog. I see a dog. And
Which one do you think is yours? There's a basket for Anna and a basket for Evan.
it's ours.
Oh, is that one yours?
Yeah.
Cool.
This one is cheap in the car. It's open stores. Open his doors. It's open his doors.
So do you think that one's Anna's?
And then what's this?
What is that?
It's Easter bunny.
So is that one Anna's?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And a musty.
Why don't you leave Anna's basket for Anna?
Yeah. I didn't know throw it away.
What's in yours?
A bouncy ball. It's a basketball. I have two basketballs. And I got mine green. This one is green. My basket is green too. Like that one. And this is a hoop. And this is a hoop. That's why I'm playing basketball.
Hmm.
And I shoot it in here. And these jelly beans.
Yeah, those. I think that one of those is for Zach and one of those is for Ryan, the big eggs.
These mine. Baby can eat some. This is an egg. This is a big egg.
That's for Zach and Ryan.
Yeah. Spider-Man. Spider-Man. This is Super Ranger. Dad a
What do you
basketball.
think those are?
And these is it just
Oh, these are magnets.
yeah.
Go in the refrigerator.
Yeah. And this is the car.
Did you get anything else?
Candy. And an Easter egg.
Cool.
Nothing in it.
You want me to open it?
Yeah. I need help open
Did the Easter Bunny do anything else?
And this has an Easter bunny.
Yeah. What else does the Easter Bunny do?
I have an Easter bunny. It's closed. It's closed.
Oh, Mommy will get it. Be careful.
Whoa, hey. That's Zach's.
That's that.
Yeah.
It's from Mom.
What else does the Easter Bunny do, Evan?
I like these.
What's on the toaster? What's on the toaster?
Ooh, look.
It's an outfit.
A what?
An elevator. A
Cool.
crocodile. It's an Easter bunny. I got other Easter bunny. This is they 1, 2, 3. I got an Easter bunny. He's holding these.
Hey, Evan. What's over there?
A.
What does the Easter Bunny do?
He hide an egg.
Did you find one?
Yeah, I can do it.
Oh, be careful.
M&M's.
Those are Anna's.
Yeah. And this is my, that's been on mine. This is blue for my favorite color. I see other one.
Oh, wow. You found 2 already?
Yeah.
Can you put them in that bucket?
Yeah.
Carefully.
This is Daddy.
Oh, yeah.
And what's this thing?
Can you find any more?
You want me to help you down? So you can find more?
Where's more?
I don't know.
Where he? I see one and see one. One is in paper towel. One is in paper towels. This. What's this name?
I don't know. Let's see.
Mommy.
Oh,
Who is this? Pops. This is Pops.
are there any other ones on the counter?
I see one.
Don't step on the cupcakes.
No. I see one right here. This is Anna.
That Easter bunny must like the kitchen. Be careful.
I didn't craft it. Where's more? Where's more?
I don't know.
I see one.
You do.
And one is on kitchen.
On the stove?
Yeah, I can't get it.
Here.
Or did it? I think they too. And I see one in up there.
Silly bunny.
Yeah, one is, I can't reach it. It's so far up there. This